All right, now we're looking for a line that's going to be parallel to this line and passes through the point 4, 5. Well, if it's going to be parallel, we know that the x and y coefficients are going to be the same because those are what makes my slope. What's going to be different is this value. So if we think about that first line, we've got x plus 2y. If we move this 1 over, we'd have plus 1 equals 0, and this would be standard form. So we know a parallel line is going to have the same x plus y part, but its d part will be different. That will be a parallel line. So now we want to plug in this point because we want to go through the point 4, -5. So we're going to replace the x and y with 4, -5 to figure out what our d value is. So 4 plus 2 times -5 plus d must be equal to 0. 4 minus 10 plus d equals 0. 4 minus 10 is -6. So -6 plus what is 0? Well, my d value must be 6. This tells me my parallel line is going to be x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. I can test this out. I can test it out most easily looking at it in Desmos. So let's look at it here. Our first line said x plus 2y equals -1. So let's see, our original line was x plus 2y equals -1. And then we've said our new line is x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. And we see that we have a parallel line. We also wanted to make sure that we went through the point 4, -5. And sure enough, that point is on our line. So this is another way that we can use our knowledge and use our standard form to find our parallel line through 4, -5.